How's it going, everyone? It's David here, and I've decided to make a quick trip out here to Cedar Point to see what's going on in the park. So let's go in and try to have some fun. Nothing quite like riding Millennium Force first thing in the morning. I actually got off of 2 rides. Got here right at 9 a.m. for early entry. Was on like the 3rd train of the day, and then rode it a second time, waited just a little over 15 minutes. So far we're having a great time. And right now we're gonna head out to Frontier Town to probably go ride either Maverick or Steel Vengeance. Well, attempted to ride Maverick, waited about 45 minutes, but then it broke down and it's now being evac'd. Oh well. Just got off of Steel Vengeance, and about less than a month ago I was down at Busch Gardens, Tampa, and gave Iron Gwazi a try. After getting back on this, I think it's solidified that this is my favorite RMC, one of my all-time favorite coasters. For me, what makes this is that second half where you go into the infrastructure and you're twisting all around, you don't know which way is up. Iron Gwazi was missing that. Iron Gwazi really just felt like the first half of this, which is still excellent. But yeah, Steel Vengeance, this is a really special ride. And I got a row 11 ride, which is second to back, and that's my favorite row. Oh boy, what a rush. Well, I did not expect to get a steak at Cedar Point. It looks really good. It comes with a biscuit and a side, and I got potato skins. Overall, I really like this new restaurant. Although it did replace an antique car ride, I think it looks really nice. It fits in very well in Frontier Town. right, finally got on Maverick, and this might be a controversial opinion, but I like Maverick more than the Velocicoaster. I think there is more to it. It's definitely much more intense, more action-packed, and you can't go wrong with that second launch in the tunnel. Oh boy, I love Maverick. Well, I did not expect to get a second ride on Steel Vengeance today. It's about 2 o'clock right now, and only about a half-hour wait. It's great. Millennium is currently stuck at the top of the lift. I really like Gatekeeper. Just got off of a back row ride. I'm gonna be honest, that's pretty intense. I almost grayed out on that. It's also a really pretty roller coaster too. I'm definitely a big fan of it. Rest in peace, Wicked Twister. As for what is replacing it, I have no idea. But I just got off a Gatekeeper, and I looked down at the plot. It didn't look like there was a ride coming in, but possibly a building. But I am not sure. I will say the skyline seems a little empty right here. I wasn't a big fan of the ride, but I did like how it looked. just did Raptor, and that is absolutely one of the best B&M inverts out there. I wouldn't normally wait as long as I did to ride that, mainly because they did take a train off, but it was worth it because I did get a front row ride, and that's a very visual ride. I love swooping over the Cedar Point Midway. Oh, it's good fun. Thrill Dragster is unfortunately closed for the entire season, and who knows if this is going to come back. I sure hope it does. It's definitely one of the hallmark rides here at Cedar Point and one of my favorites. We'll just have to wait and see though. Just got off of Gemini. That's a good time as always, although our train only stopped about halfway into the station and it aired out, so it was actually sitting in the station for like a good 20 minutes and couldn't get out, so that was pretty interesting.
Just for the birds, keep those phones put away. Enjoy your ride on the 1989 Magnum XL200. Riders on the platform, take this time to secure loose articles. Everything you have with you is going to be riding with you. Secure all your loose articles right now, please. Welcome back, riders. How was your ride? Awesome. Unbuckle the seatbelts on. Buckle your seatbelts with the train.
Okay, ending my Cedar Point day with a back row ride on Magnum XL200. Fantastic roller coaster. It gets better and better every single time I ride it. This ride has so much character to it. So great airtime on a great setting. It's historic. I love this thing. You know, with all of the really cool roller coasters here at Cedar Point, it's sometimes easy to forget that it all started with a lake and a beach. And that's going to do it here at Cedar Point. Had a really good one-day trip here. I know that they already removed a roller coaster and there's yet another one that is closed for the season. There is still plenty to do here at Cedar Point. I got on almost all the major rides today on a Saturday without Fastlane, so that's really good. Hopefully I will be back later this year, but we will see. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it and subscribe for more content. And with that being said, thank you all for riding, and I'll see you next time.